Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at different types of blogs you could make money from. DIY and craft blog. Do-it-yourself or design blogs show people how to accomplish things on their own. The options are endless, whether it's building a house or redecorating a living room. If you have a knack for creating things yourself and like to share your skills with others, then a DIY and craft blog might be the ideal platform for doing so. Some of the most popular DIY and craft blog topics are clothing, gardening, woodwork, holiday decorations, DIY life hacks, home renovation, arts and crafts. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.